Okay, folks, got a 2010 Kia Sportage. Man, this thing's wider than a mayonnaise sandwich, and it is clean as a pin. It's got just a little bit of bump there and a little bump here that'll come out with a hairdryer. This thing is straight as an arrow, and it is clean. Oh, it's got a little bit, I take that back, it's got a little bit of dirt right there, but it could clean up nice. Yeah, it's got 216,000 miles. Get some AC going.
Hear the song of creation.
Got decent radio. See how she drives. Sure does run good. Runs really good. No warning lights. Got over a half a tank of gas. Heck yeah, man. Oh, I've got to check that Lexus and that Volvo out. Forgot about those. This is a peppy little car. Runs pretty good. Suspension is tight. Man, that AC is getting cold. Very cold. You know, it's a pretty clean old Kia to have 216,000 miles. It's tight as a drum. Tight as a drum. This would make someone a really good, just little everyday driver. Shoot, I'd love to have it. Got a little growl. Not a lot of power. But it's got a little growl. Shoot, yeah, man. Oh, Kia Sportage. Not bad for 216,000 miles. This is nuts, dude. All right, let's do that again. Oh yeah, it's a little slow off the line. Then she gets rolling pretty good. Not bad. I'm pretty impressed for a little 2-liter 4-cylinder. Not bad. It's an LX model. It's the base model. It ain't got no frills, no equipment. This is a base model, but it's a neat little SUV. All right, I gotta save a little battery for this Volvo SUV, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it now. Peace.
1600, 15, 16, over here now, 16, 17, 18, now 18, now 19, now 2 grand, now 1, 21, 2 grand, 21, 2 grand, 1, now 2, 22, 1 and a half, 21 and a half, now 2, 22, 2, sold, 2150, 216, 216. Here's 159, 159.